Hello music producers, in this exciting video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a tape stop effect in FLStudio. If you don't know what a tape stop effect is, just listen to this very short playback that I'm going to play right now. Alright, so that's drop-like kind of sound is what a tape stop effect is. And to do this, we're going to be using a free plugin. The link is in the description below. So just go ahead and download that and come back to this right here. So the effect we used for this, we have it right here. The D blue tape stop, as you can see right here, is just a very simple 3 knobs button, which is that's just it. It's just hits. We have the trigger, we have the slow down, and we have the dead click. The two main major features are actually the trigger and the slow down. So what you actually do right here is you actually have to create an automation for this. As you can see, this automation right here is what is triggering the tape stop effect. And if you don't know how to create automation clips in FLStudio, there is a link in the description to a detailed video on how to create automation clips in FLStudio. If you don't know what automation clips are or have no idea of how to create them, go ahead and watch that video. It can save and help your future, kinda. Alright guys, so to create the automation clip is just very simple. So all we have to create the automation clip on is on the trigger. So when we want the sound to trigger, we increase the automation. And if I play back, so if I play this back, you will notice the trigger comes on when the automation comes on, kind of. Right, so that's just straightforward and very simple. And then this slowdown affects how fast it's kind of. Well, let me just play it for you to understand what I'm saying. So as you can see, as I increase it, it's faster. Damn, English is hard. All right, so as I increase it, you notice that the volume goes down faster when I increase it, but when I reduce it, it takes more time to get down to 0. All right, so that point where I left it, I think 0.13 was just perfect. So creating this automation is very simple. For those who are so stubborn not to go and watch the video, it's just very simple. Just click right here, create an automation clip. As you can see, we have this right here. So we'll just go over and right click on here. We change it to a hold because we actually want it to hold. All right, so we'll just take this up and we'll take this up. But don't forget, we also have to end it. All right, we also have to end the automation so that it stops actually and not just continues forever. Turn off the trigger, all right? And beautiful. All right, guys, so if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed to this channel. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new content just like this for you guys. All right, guys, till we meet again, stay safe. See you in the next one.